बताइएगा. नेम द रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन इन ह्यूमंस.
lungs,
विच मेम्ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ लंग्स.
diaphragm,
डायफ्राम. व्हाट इज द रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन इन फिश.
gills,
व्हाट इज द रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन इन कॉकरोच.
trachea,
ट्रैकिया. Which organ is used by a frog for breathing underwater?
the skin,
What is the end product of respiration in most of the organism?
CO2 and water,
What is the end product of anaerobic respiration in muscle?
lactic acid.
Define breathing.
The process of taking in and giving out air for respiration is known as breathing.
What is respiration?
The biological process is in which food is utilized to produce energies is called respiration.
Inhalation.
The air moves into the lungs